type of functions are done with kept. And I never thought, but at once, before the Abhyasi, I was telling that this Basant Panchami will be celebrated. So the bird must be. Then after I thought that I said, and there is no, I never thought like this. But at once, people said, and there was it seems that Babuji Maharaj is very happy. And also Lala Sahib I saw at that time, I never thought that he is very happy and like this. It means our function will be very, very spiritual function like that. Whenever I feel good conditions, good feeling, at once I pray to Babuji Maharaj, please give all the efforts. They are yours. They know nothing about you, but they are yours. Only I want that all should be divine, can take the divine happiness. Then they will know that the divine happiness is so great. And divine happiness will be always there. Maybe any problem in the house, but whenever you will sit in meditation, whenever you will see in your heart, you will see that very peace, very calm. There is no problem. And because of age and some weakness, I am not going away center. Whenever I remember Babuji Maharaj, I always say, Babuji Maharaj, your remembrance gives so much love and so much grace. So please give all Abhyasi. Now, if you want to some special program, only I can. From that time, when the thought came, the transmission to transfer is not going to charity. Because this is an insult of the nature. Nature sent Babuji Maharaj for the giving the spirituality, spreading the spirituality. And he made you. He made you so you who progress करो हर तरह. When he made you, and now you are telling that you cannot get from the great persons as Rama, Krishna, who were sent by the nature, who sent by the nature for the birth. They never died. Body died, but their work, Babuji Maharaj's work is, sankalp is, that every person should get the spirituality. So now he wants that whole the world will be changed. Spirituality will be raised. So this work will take so much time, and that time will always of Babuji Maharaj. If you will remember Rama and Krishna, you cannot get, because they came, they descended to destroy the Rama and outer thing for the outward peace, to give the outward peace. But Babuji Maharaj descended to make abhyasi, to make person, so that they can change in the divinity. So this is the Satyug, as it is said, Satyug, Dwapar, Kalyug. Sat means is God. Yug means time. This is the godly time. So worldly time will be changed, is now going to be changed by Babuji Maharaj. And then godly time will be. And first I saw that people were not understanding and were not eager to hear about Sahajmar system. But now they can understand Sahajmar system, and who are coming, it seems that they know about the transition. They have a thirst to get something. So this is the time of Babuji Maharaj. So I am always telling that this time is very easy to get the reality, to get the spirituality, to make ourselves like a special. People think when the people will be spiritual people, they cannot do worldly things, they cannot, there will be no interest in the service or this is very wrong. Ram was doing all the things, Krishna was doing all the things, and all devotees were doing their duty very well. Babuji Maharaj was doing. So, this is a proof that we can do our duty very well. Because first my father, when I went to Babuji Maharaj, and I began meditation, and Babuji said, my daughter is very, very nice. Then my mother began to fear that she can leave the house. And but this, my mind was changed by Babuji Maharaj. That first, when I was doing Murti Puja, I was going to Mahatma and saying to him. Then I began to think, then I will leave the house. But when Babuji Maharaj came, from then I began to feel that Babuji Maharaj is coming. We will go to Babuji Maharaj. All the thought wash out. Jungle, I will leave the house and will go to jungle. All the thoughts. And Babuji Maharaj was laughing. If you will in the jungle, then I thought, she said, I will go to search for you in the jungle. Very loving to every abhyasi. Very loving. You can understand. I was thinking that before, when I was feeling that I am down, whole the system, and the Babuji Maharaj, and in the place of this body, I always felt the Babuji Maharaj touching, and also I feel always touching of Babuji Maharaj. At that time, I was no feeling that I can change the people. I can make the people completely spiritual. But when that condition was become life in me, then I feel the power is there. Because condition of that power, Babuji Maharaj takes the Abhyasi. First, we feel the condition. After it, he also gives the power of that place, so that when you will go in the second, the first power is there, then you can go in the second. And then the power begin to begin to live like a second, third. Power will come every time. So the transmission gives the very power with power, condition and with power. But if as 2 and 3 Abhyasi were there, and Babuji saw that if they will get the power, they can misuse, because they will say to other Abhyasis, then I can give thee power, and I can do your work, worldly work. Then Babuji taken the power. Because mind should be connected with the divinity. So you can do the divine work. But now, automatically, the mind has begun to change. ऐसे कहते ना सतयुग कलयुग. How Satyug comes, comes? Because the mind began to change. Now mind can understand about Babuji Maharaj so soon. As if you want to say, they will go to temple also and they will do something. But why I cannot understand that Babuji Maharaj made Sarnath and gave the high power, and Raghavendra was given the power, and Dr. Bhattacharya was given the power. So I asked Babuji Maharaj, you are giving the power, but why you are not giving the condition? Because if will be no condition, spiritual condition, then the mind will begin the worldly, and it was happened. So then Babuji Maharaj said, you are right, without giving the spiritual condition, and power is there. So the mind is connected with the world. So चमत्कार का होता है?
Miracle.
Miracle. So mind will be go to show the magic.
Miracles.
But now Babuji Maharaj is whole, whole the whole the mind is now beginning to change. Spiritual mind they will have. So the spirituality will be spread very soon. And nowadays, if you will say, in the maybe train, maybe bus, if you will begin to talk about 10 mark system to anyone, people will hear very, it seems that their heart is connected to hearing this. And this is the Babuji Maharaj making, the turning the heart and turning the mind. चाहे अमेरिका हो, कहीं हो. And now, if you know nothing, you are sitting silently. But if any new Abhyasi will come, you will begin to tell. How? We can know. Cannot know. So sometimes I feel, but at Babuji Maharaj's birthday, I will make master, not servant. So this is you know nothing. Only you are doing meditation. When other will ask you, then you begin to say. So this is a mastermind. नहीं, बॉडी कभी हमने देखा जैसे बहुत पेन है, स्टमक पेन में बहुत है. Severe pain, if there is severe pain, then for very few minutes you will feel that there is a severe pain and medicine is given. But it seems that so many times we forget the pain is there. Who is keeping like this? And nowadays, I can say that our Babuji Maharaj, if someone will tell he died, it seems that this is very wrong. He is here. He is hearing. Then you will begin to talk about him. He will be, you can see Babuji Maharaj is here. So this is very wrong. And one saint wrote an article that divine Pasi never dies. Body, there is a limited. So limited will be go away. But for the work will be done by him. So he never dies. Till then, the work will be over. Then he will go as any divine word and any. Till now I cannot say that who was he. Because more and more he is coming before me. When I speak and the name Babuji, it seems that mouth is telling name, but my Babuji is separate. The name is coming, Babuji, Babuji. But Babuji is the name of the person. Because when Babuji I say Babuji Maharaj, it seems, oh, Babuji Maharaj. Then the Babuji Maharaj, Babuji name, it seems this is not correct. Babuji Maharaj is before me. Only divine Babuji Maharaj I can see. It seems that divine himself has descended on the earth to take us. Who will go to my house from any side and from foreign? They will come and they will ask me, we will go to Shahjahanpur. I said yes. But it seems when the Shahjahanpur name was taken, it seems that every word is Shahjahanpur. So I said, you can go. Because as the condition will be spread, then your thought will be spread. All the bondage will cut off. And then here, I am sitting here, but it seems that this is Shahjahanpur. If you will take the name Shahjahanpur, it seems that this is Shahjahanpur. And Babuji Maharaj is before me. Babuji Maharaj is always before me. So, 4 is the Shahjahanpur. The Sarvesh asked me that Babuji Maharaj love was so much for you, but you never come to Shahjahanpur. And he was angry with me. So first I became silent, then he said so many times, then I said that in Shahjahanpur, I feel when I will see towards the Shahjahanpur, it seems there is no Babuji Maharaj. And here Babuji Maharaj is there. So Shahjahanpur is here. You are not living at Shahjahanpur. Because they have a thought that people should come here to see the master's cottage, master's house, and master's ashram. You think that you are living there, and so people should come. That a house, in the house, body was living. But he is everywhere. And secondly, Abhyasi goes there. I say, send the Abhyasi. But you cannot tell about Babuji Maharaj anything. To see the house and only to see the ashram, what is the meaning? I said, you can tell about Babuji Maharaj, you can talk about Babuji Maharaj, then be interested to come to Shahjahanpur. Then this will be successful. But only seeing house, this is meditation hall, this is the Babuji Maharaj, here Babuji Maharaj sits and was taking the food. What is the meaning?